Hi everyone, Akash here from BTech YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how you can set up a VPN or virtual private network on your Android phone. Now some of the people need to use a VPN for their work, and it allows you to create a secure connection between your phone and the company's internet or intranet. And it allows you to transfer some secure data and also encrypted data which does not allow anyone else to see that. And a lot of people use VPN in their public Wi-Fi connection to make their personal data secure, and many more reasons are there to use a VPN. But there again, you have to be careful about the VPN connection which you are using, that is trusted or not. Who knows, the VPN you are using to keep your data safe might access your personal data and misuse that. So we don't go to discuss about that today. We are simply going to know that how to set up a VPN connection which is already inbuilt in your smartphone, inbuilt in your Android device. We will not going to download and install any of the third party the VPN connection which are already have in the Play Store. This is inbuilt in your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's go straight into today's video. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this is my phone, is Samsung Galaxy J7. It is of 2015 edition and it is with the Android version Marshmallow. So you need to go to the settings directly from here, and as always you need to go to the more connection, and when you go to the more connection you will get a VPN connection over here, virtual private network. As you can see that two different VPNs that I already have connected to my phone, and also a secure VPN called a web application which is also installed in my phone from previously from Play Store. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a new connection, add a new VPN in front of you so that you can get an idea how to connect it. So first of the interface what will come to you, that is to add a name of your VPN. As of now I'm going to select my VPN to as give a name. Whatever you want to give, you can name it with that. So the next option that will come, that is PPTP. There are so many connection type you can select from here, but PPTP is the most well-known services to add a VPN connection. So now you need to give the server address. So what you have to do now, you need to cut from here and go to Google. Now you have to search for VPN book PPTP. As you are using a connection of PPTP, you need to have the connection username and password of PPTP networks that generally comes for free versions. So first option, the first site you will get, you need to click on that, and after clicking on that you can see the interface is coming. So here will come for some interfaces. You need to go to PPTP network, and after going to PPTP network you need to choose the server from here. You can choose any of the servers, these all are free, and also the PPTP one. And after selecting any of the servers, let's suppose I am choosing this one, as you can also choose different one. So let me copy this and directly go to my VPN where I am setting my VPN and put the address over here. Anything don't need to change from here. You need to select the save button to save your VPN connection, that is my VPN. The first one option that I have newly created, all in the caps. So to connect it, you need to go to that option and it will ask you for the username and password. So now again you have to go to that site what you have opened a while ago. So this is the username and password, the VPN book, and the password is S4WHLVC. Let me put it on my phone. Now you need to save the account information. You can also save the information, or you didn't want to save it, you cannot. So I'm going to connect this, and as you are seeing that it is going to be connected. Now you can see that it has already been connected. You can use your internet connection securely to go any of the sources securely and encrypted. Suppose I'm going to the internet Google and just search for what is my IP, and then it will show you the IP address, which is not actually mine. That is from the different location which I have selected. That is, I have selected for Canada, and you can see the different connection IP address, so that we will use that virtual private network to use and access the internet. You just keep your phone more secure, especially on a wireless network in the public place, which is already available to a lot of people. If we have workplaces, we should check it out from there, especially you have to sensitive data to encrypt and save. Now the last thing you have to do when you are using a VPN connection, you need to go again to the settings and to disconnect your VPN. Let me go to the more connection again and go to VPN again, and there is, as you can see, that it is connected over here, written. So I'm going to select this, and it asking me for to disconnect. As always, after every use you should have to disconnect the VPN, so that no personal information go through from the VPN, which we generally doesn't want to have. So this was the general information how to connect your VPN through username and password with a free VPN connection. As I'm not saying it is a secure connection, because you have, whenever you are trying to connect it, you have to take care of that while your personal or sensitive data is not to be cheated. This video is still this is a general idea how to use a VPN connection or how to connect a VPN connection with your phone. So I think you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. And especially if you want more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get notification of new videos that I'm going to uploading in the future. And as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I'll be giving the site link in the description, so that you can go and check it out, the all free VPN connection, username and passwords, and the server address from there. As always, thank you so much. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and have a nice day.